Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix secure connection failed in Chrome. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So as you can see, my Google Chrome is in great condition, but if you are experiencing this problem, don't worry because I will be showing you step by step on how to fix this. So first of all, you want to click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings. Now you want to click on Privacy and Security at the left side of your screen and you want to click on Security. Then here you want to scroll down until you see the Advanced section and here you want to toggle the switch off for Always Use Secure Connections. So upgrade notifications to HTTPS and warn you before loading sites that don't support it. Okay, so just go ahead and toggle the switch off and then now just go ahead and try to reload your website. Okay, so now once you refresh your page, I think you should see this site cannot be reached. Okay, so if you see that, what you need to do is to erase the S. But if you search something, you just need to remove the S on the HTTPS. Okay, so from HTTPS colon slash slash, it should be HTTP colon slash slash. Okay, so just go ahead and do that, and that should fix your problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.